What's up, entrepreneurs? It's Digital Income Academy here. The internet has changed the game. Forget the old 9-to-5 grind. Building your own online business is the ultimate hustle. First things first, you gotta figure out your niche. What are you obsessed with? What problems can you solve? What value can you bring to the table? Trying to be everything to everyone is a recipe for disaster. Get laser-focused and own a specific category. Is there an audience for this? Are people already spending money in this space? The more you know your niche, the better equipped you'll be to dominate it. You've got your niche locked in, now it's time to build your battle plan, your business plan. Think of it like this: you wouldn't build a house without a blueprint, right? Same goes for your business. A solid business plan outlines your goals, target audience, marketing strategy, financial projections, and everything in between. Define your goals. Be specific, be ambitious, but most importantly, be realistic. Identify your target audience. Who are you trying to reach? What are their needs and desires? Outline your financial projections. How much will it cost to start your business? How will you generate revenue? Having a clear understanding of your financials is crucial for making informed decisions and securing funding if needed. It's time to establish your online presence, and that starts with a killer website. Think of your website as your virtual storefront, the digital face of your business. It's the first impression you make on potential customers, so it needs to be on point. A well-designed website can captivate visitors and turn them into loyal customers. We're talking about a clean, professional design, easy navigation, and compelling content that showcases your brand and your value proposition. Your website should tell your story and highlight what makes you unique. There are tons of affordable website builders out there that make it super easy to create a stunning website without any technical skills. You can have a professional-looking site up and running in no time, but your online presence goes way beyond just a website. It's about creating a cohesive digital footprint. You need to be active on social media, engaging with your audience, and building a community around your brand. Social media platforms are where you can connect with your customers on a more personal level, engage with your followers, respond to comments, and provide helpful information that establishes you as an authority in your niche. Consistent interaction can build trust and loyalty among your audience. Now let's talk about the bread and butter of your online business, your products or services. These are the core elements that will drive your revenue and define your brand. What are you going to offer that people actually want to buy? Identifying a need or a gap in the market is crucial. The good news is you've got options. From digital to physical products, the possibilities are vast. Digital products are booming right now. Think ebooks, which can be easily distributed and updated. Online courses, templates, which can provide immense value to your audience. Software. The possibilities are endless. You can create tools that solve specific problems. The beauty of digital products? Once you create them, they can generate passive income for years to come, with minimal ongoing effort. Imagine earning money while you sleep. That's the power of digital products. If you're passionate about teaching, consider creating an online course. Share your knowledge, create a community, help others achieve their goals, and build a loyal following and make a killing while you're at it. The potential is limitless. Affiliate marketing is another great way to monetize your online presence without creating your own products. Promote products you believe in. Whether you're designing your own merchandise or sourcing products from suppliers, you can build a brand that resonates with your audience. There's a huge market for physical goods online. From custom designs to everyday essentials, the opportunities are endless. You've got your website, your products, and your social media game on point. But having a great setup is just the beginning. Now, it's time to get eyeballs on your business. You need to attract visitors who are genuinely interested in what you offer. Traffic is the lifeblood of any online business. Without a steady stream of visitors, your online presence will struggle to thrive. No traffic, no customers, no money. It's as simple as that. Your business needs a constant flow of potential customers to succeed. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is your secret weapon for ranking high in search results and driving organic traffic to your site. It's about making your website more visible to people who are searching for what you offer. By optimizing your website and content for relevant keywords, you can increase your chances of showing up at the top of the search engine results pages. This means more visibility and more traffic. Social media marketing is another powerful tool for driving traffic and building brand awareness. It allows you to connect with your audience on a personal level. By creating engaging content, running targeted ads, and leveraging social media influencers, you can reach a massive audience and drive them to your website. This can significantly boost your traffic and sales. Paid advertising can be a highly effective way to get immediate traffic and sales. It allows you to target specific demographics and reach potential customers quickly. You've put in the work, built a solid foundation, and now it's time to reap the rewards. Monetizing your online business is all about finding multiple streams of income and creating a sustainable business model. We've already talked about selling your own products or services, but don't underestimate the power of affiliate marketing. Find products or services that align with your niche and audience, promote them to your followers, and earn a commission on every sale. If you're building a content-rich website or blog, placing ads on your site can be a lucrative way to generate passive income. If you've built a loyal following, don't be afraid to explore sponsorship opportunities or partnerships with other businesses. There you have it, folks. The blueprint for building a profitable online business from the ground up. It takes hard work, dedication, and a whole lot of hustle. But the rewards are absolutely worth it. Take action, stay persistent, and never give up on your dreams. If you're ready to start your online business, hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on how to turn your passion into profit.